Hey guys, I'm so glad you found Walsey's Food Coma. I'm Walsey, and in this series, I'm going to show you how you can make a ton of recipes while saving money by buying a big thing of beef at Costco. How hard could it be? I'm not a butcher, so I'm going to include a couple of links showing you how to break down a chuck roll. And there you have it, folks. For $92, we're going to get Cornish pasties. These will get flattened out and made into country fried steaks. This is going to be for a Taiwanese beef noodle soup. This is going to be carne asada for taco nights. This one is going to be a slow cooker hearty beef stew. And then we're going to grind this up in a few minutes. And this is going to make a spaghetti with meat sauce, some pierogies, and cottage pie. So we've got basically 6 dinners and 2 lunches for $92. This is your sign to go buy some meat at Costco and break it down yourself. Let's grind that beef. £17 of chuck roll for $92 at Costco yields all of this meat. It's enough for 6 dinners, 2 lunches with just a little bit of effort. On a side note, I love my KitchenAid meat grinder attachment. I like to make beef for all sorts of purposes, including hamburgers, so that I can cook them to whatever temperature I want. I use it for chicken to make Thai basil chicken, and I also use it to grind pork for various Chinese dishes. I will put the link below. But follow Walsey's Food Coma, where you can see how I turn this meat into delicious meals for your family and friends.